What happened here? Hello, my name is Doug. I'm a retired school teacher. I built a camper van out of an old Xfinity service van. I'm going to show you how I did it and take you on my adventures, camping, fishing, and going to baseball games. And I'm going to try to show you how to save some money. Welcome to my van channel. Welcome to the Holiday Tinn. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try to pull a dent out of my car. You may have bought an old car, or maybe your car has a dent in it, but did you know that you can try to pull that dent out of your car yourself? Today I'm going to try to pull a dent out of my van. When I bought this van back in May of 2021, it already had a dent in the driver's side door. If you're new to my channel, you don't know about my van. This is a 1999 Ford E150 van that I bought in May of 2021, and I started building it out to be my camper van. Anyhow, when I bought this van, it had this big dent in the side of the door. I bought the van from a used car lot, and they bought the van from an auction, and before that, this was an old Xfinity Comcast service van. And if you look real close on the sides of the door and the side panel of the van, the back doors, you can see evidence where it still says Xfinity and Comcast, and there's a 1-800 number vaguely or very dimly readable on the back door. Anyhow, I'm going to try to take out this dent in this door today. So for today's video, I'm going to try to use these suction cups to pull that dent out of that van door. I bought these suction cups off of Amazon, and it cost me about $18. So I watched some videos on the Academy of YouTube Learning, and all the videos that I showed about pulling a dent with a suction cup shows that they try to heat up the dent first by using either a blow dryer or hot water, and then they spray some Windex on it, and then they try to use that suction cup to pull the dent. So that's what I'm gonna do first. First, I'm gonna try to heat it up using some hot water. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the like button. That would help me out a lot. Okay, let's give it a go. gonna try a smaller suction cup. You see it moving a little bit. So the suction cups had a little bit of success, but it didn't pull it all the way out. So I'm gonna go to my plan B, which is I'm gonna try to remove this inside door panel right here. And I am going to try to tap that dent out a little bit from the inside if I can. Let's see what happens. Well, I hit it a couple more times with the mallet and the dowel from the inside, and it was a marginal success. I mean, I made a couple more dents in it. If I look at it from far away, can't tell whether or not it's better looking than it was before or not. Well, YouTube, the suction cups didn't work out as well as they're advertised. I did have to take a couple taps from the inside with a wooden dowel and a rubber mallet, and it popped out the dent a little bit. Doesn't look perfect, but it's a marginal success. I'd like to know what you guys think. Go ahead and leave some comments down below in the comment section. Tell me what you think about pulling a dent like that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot of videos about camping in Kennedy Meadows and camping in Monterey at Veterans Memorial Park, and then some other videos about stealth camping. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, go ahead and look for those videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and go ahead and hit that like button. Until next time, thanks for watching my video.